Pioneer Enterprise, leader in herbal and natural products. Pioneer Enterprise has specialized in manufacturing and marketing of natural and herbal products in India and world over. Pioneer's strength lie in more than 2 decades of experience with sourcing, networking, and strategic alliance with leaders in natural health product industry. We have wide network which will enable us to supply you any product at most competitive price and in shortest time period. Pioneer Enterprise and associated group of companies have modern manufacturing plants that produce a novel range of products to the specifications and satisfaction of our customers. We are an ISO 9001-2008 certified organization. We always strive to remain a leader in the industry by continually improving our products and services. We have the most comprehensive product range in the natural product industry, with products ranging from natural extract, herbal extract, natural essential oils, aromatherapy oils, spice oleoresin, alkaloids, specialty phytochemicals, and phytochemical standards. We also have strong presence in fresh herbs, fruits, vegetable, natural condiment powders, and natural food colors. We also provide private label options for our nutraceuticals customers. We have specialized in supercritical fluid extraction, the most advanced extraction technology, and the extracts dedicated to flowers, fragrances, nutraceuticals, pharmaceuticals, food ingredients, cosmetic ingredients, and more. For more information on our products and services, visit us on www.pioneerherbal.com.